If you are in need of a Tesla-approved Cybertruck collision repair in Schaumburg, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At Schaumburg Auto Body, we specialize in repairing your Cybertruck to Tesla's exact standards. Whether it's repairing body damage, aligning panels, or restoring paintwork, our shop uses Tesla-specified tools and repair methods to ensure your Cybertruck is back to its original state. Our certified technicians are fully trained to handle the unique design and materials of the Cybertruck, so you can trust the repair is done right. We also offer recalibration for Tesla's advanced systems, such as cameras and sensors, after collision repairs. Call Schaumburg Auto Body today to schedule your repair estimate.